Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome to another gaming video, and today we are in Bloxburg and we are going to make pie. I am making the pie. Somehow it looks like perfect, and I just throw the whole apple in. It makes no sense. Does it make any sense? I don't get it. Why? Oh geez, I'm stinky. What are my stats? Oh, I have 0 hunger, 0 fun, 2 energy, and low hygiene. I think I'm gonna just place this on the counter here. I'm gonna take a potion because wow, slice of pie fills you up. I didn't know that. I need to go shower. So yeah, I'm stinky. I'm just gonna pause the video so I can up my stats, and then I'm gonna see you guys when I'm done doing my stats. Guys, we are back, and I am just gonna look around and see if anybody would like some pie. The place is stinky. Don't know if they'd want pie. And they have no roof. I just ride my bike into their house. Ready? I'm gonna try this, you guys. Oh. Hi. Hi. Oh, let's see. I just drove my bike right into his house. Oh, he's a premium. He might not be very happy if he sees me. You guys can see the pie in hand. That guy does look AFK. These two are both basic houses. Is this seriously how his house is? What the heck, dude? Okay. I think I'm gonna turn around this way and it's my own place. I don't need to do that. Let's see, where can we go? I think I'm gonna actually go get some groceries because I need some apples, some more apples to make some apple pie. Where's the grocery store? I always do this. I always lose the grocery store. We are back and we are going to the supermarket because I completely passed it. Fail? I guess. I need to park. This thing is hard to park because it's so fast. There we go. I still have this pie. I'll eat it. And let me... We are good. Need some apples. Bunch of apples. Like a bunch. Wait, where's my face cam? Let's see. Oh, geez, I filled my cart up with apples. make so much apple pie. I need a lot of apples. Oh, the shop needs to be restocked. You buy potato chips. Let's buy some potato chips because whenever I have guests, I always want potato chips. Oh my god, I filled my cart up entirely with apples. They sometimes ask for grapes. They didn't even know quitting. Sorry about that, but I've been doing, sure I'll go to the party, but I didn't pay for my stuff. I stole it! Dun dun dun! Oh my god, some guy. That's my work outfit. I'm gonna be a cashier so I can earn some money and finish up my grocery shopping. Oh, is that what this is? Let's just finish up my grocery shopping. In the uniform. You know what? We don't want to be in the uniform. Whoa. I left my workplace. Yeah. Looks like I'm coming in. Whenever I have guests over, I get some chips. Because they like all ask for chips. Wait, I didn't buy the mini chips. I obviously did. Let's buy a few apples, even though I just bought a lot of apples. Let's just buy like 3. And some grapes. These grapes, oh, it's a good choice. It's, oh, I need some block seed. Except I'm gonna go with that. I think. Oh, what? Okay, we got it. So now I have to pay for my stuff. There's a huge line. It doesn't seem to be any cashiers. Ugh. You know what? You know what? There's no cashier, no manager here. So, I'm going to. I'm just gonna take a card along with me. I don't know why. Dude. Need to get away fast. This looks like a really pretty, beautiful house. Guys, this is so beautiful. It's pink. Okay, let's I don't want to invade my space, but that looks amazing. I love the puzzle piece floor. I do that with my cafe. Use, and then I have to turn around to go to the other side of town. Because that is not my place. None of those are. Okay. that just about wraps up our video for today. That if you did like this video, make sure to smash that like button. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel and be sure to subscribe. Always. If you like food, subscribe. Okay? So you have to subscribe. Oh jeez, you have to subscribe because you like food. Cheese doodles.